Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today we are going to learn about conditional formatting, rows based on another cell value and using certain signs greater than, less than, equals to in data range. Let's begin now. We will see how conditional formatting we will do it. See here, when I am selecting this data, it is automatically highlighting the below information. In everywhere, wherever this falls, it will show you. Okay. How I did this, I will tell you. First of all, I'll remove all the formatting here. You can see it, I'm clearing it. I have created here a drop down list. For that one, I have here my data numbering, and I'm just going to click on the data and data validation tool. Just drop down here, select the list, and the source data is from this source. Control Shift down arrow, select OK, and this information is here now. I will make this color. You can see it here, it is changing. First of all, I am going to remove this conditional formatting. You can see it here, I use the formula. Now I am going to remove it, delete, OK. Now, conditional formatting, new rule, and select use formula to determine. OK. Equals to this value, and press F4 until and unless you will change this value $sign on the left side, because it is selecting the rows. If the $sign in between L and 7, it is column. So we did this one, then press OK, equals to this value, and this value I am not making it a relative, it is absolute value. Okay, and now I am going to change it, the format. I am going to fill this color purple, and the font I am going to select white. Okay. Okay. Now it is not doing it anything. Why? It is having a reason. If you will go to the data, manage rule, you have selected only this cell information which needs to be highlighted all the cells information. See, Control Shift down arrow, OK, and now you can see here wherever 3 is falling, all is purple. Now for example, you will select from here 4, and now you can see the 4th value, it is in a purple color. You can see it everywhere. So this is dynamic. Anytime when you change the data information, you will find this value, it is changed. Wherever it is falling, it will change. Another way, here you can see all this is between 1 to 5, it's green, and here 5 to 10, it's orange, and 10 greater than 10, it's red. How I did this, I will explain it to you. Conditional formatting, manage rule. I have used here certain rules. I am going to delete them all as of now. I am going to remove all. Okay. Here on this cell, I applied conditional formatting. I will tell you what I did it. New rule, determine value equals to if bracket started this value greater than or equals to 1, comma, this value less than or equals to 5. Format, fill the color green. Okay, okay, Now you can see it, it's green. Now we are going to apply the second method. Okay. On the same cell we will apply. We are not going to change any other value on any other side. Now, what is my conditional formatting now? New rule equals to if bracket started this value greater than 5 comma this value less than or equals to 10 bracket close, format, make it orange. Okay, okay, but it is not changing. We will see that one. First we will apply the formula. Now the third formula which we want to apply is greater than 10. Conditional formatting, new rule, use determine value equals to this value greater than 10. What format you will use? We need it's red and font white. Okay. Now we will go to the manage rule, and here in this rule we have mistakes. What are the mistakes? I intentionally made this one so that you will remember in the future. Go to edit rule. What I highlighted here, I told you that what we need to do it F4 before the dollar sign. Here it should not be in between, it should be on the raw side. Only this one. Okay, then this value dollar sign. Okay, and then edit rule. This one is okay. And here in this one you can see the same edit rule. We need to change it to row, not column. It is the absolute value which will not work. Okay. Now here you can see I have selected only the data range is this one, only one value. Okay. And we will see that one, how to make it now. Just click here, select value and control shift down to your data. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I will apply here as well, same. I will apply here as well, same, copy and paste, apply. Okay, now you can see it all everywhere, whatever it is there, it is giving you the different colors. Now you can sort it out your data, even though, see, if I want to filter it out my data, filter by color, it is giving me. If I want clear, I will clear it. Okay, sort by, okay, sort by color. Now you can see it is sorted by color. First all green and then it will give you some other color as well. Now you can see my data. It's very big data. Whatever it is falling between 1 to 5, all is green. See, now red and orange. So this is the method which you can use it. Thank you very much.